Oil is on minimum. Coolant, it's empty.
Hurts a lot.
Good morning, day number 15 starts as shit as it could. Nothing going right since the even little small crash yesterday, breaking the mirror. Finding out we have nearly no oil in my engine, so I have to make myself suffocate today. We're overheating last days, and now I figured out maybe why. Let's go. Oil is on minimum. And just open the coolant, it's empty. So we need to fill this up. That's the reason of overheating.
Thank you for your help. Thank you.
Man.
Yeah, Mimi. You are so pretty, huh?
Thanks to our guys over here. Perfectos, amigos. Thank you very much.
Highly welcome.
Man, and you are the best because I met you on the way. Our first checkpoint where I had to show my motorcycle documents. We're gonna continue our way all the way to Wave House and the Stone Circle, and we have to be in a very big rush because we wanna get to Ziguinchor in Senegal. That's South Senegal. You ready, babe?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's go. Man, it's 40 degrees. Okay, now it's 39. I need service. What does that mean?
Again, this type of road.
That's a road as well.
Goats are smart. Sitting in the shade.
Now this is the best road I've yet met.
Best off-road, no?
Barely exists.
That's a cool.
Hi.
Hello.
My fault.
You asked me to remove
I know,
the
it's my
parking
fault.
brake.
Now I hope this will not stop. Very bad.
It hurts a lot. I'm just like, I tried to catch.
I know, I'm sorry, man. Stupid service, stupid problems. Bike's overheating, problems, and I fuck up and I drop the bike on my girlfriend. Fucking dying here. Sweat.
At Stone Circle, we had a little accident before. I was holding a bike and the bike fell on my knee. These stones are here for 1,500 years. They are getting smaller by each year because of the corrosion. The same position in little circles. These little circles. It reminds me of, this is like African Stonehenge. just amazing place. It's really calm, and yet it's really, really freaking hot. Before we got stopped by police checkpoint, we were like overheating. I was already like feeling lightheaded and dizzy. We had these little ice packs, which is like their like local traditional drink, and it's made from Baobab tree fruit, which I think it's pretty amazing because Baobab is like national African tree.
After dropping the bike on Mimi, had that little rest, 10-20 minutes, because I was overheating. It's still 39 degrees over here. My legs are like really burnt. Mimi has gone around the stone circles. I can see her very far in the distance over there. It was a hard drive over here. I dropped the bike 3 times on a standing position or muddy position, but so we're gonna be here for a little while, and then we have to probably skip the slave house as the locals are saying it's closed. Sun is going down, and I have to fill up also a little bit of oil because it doesn't look good and it shows service. So man, I'm tired.
This is amazing. I just went inside and got a little tour inside where it was not allowed to film. These stones have many mysteries about them. People are saying God built them. People are saying that they are shining from afar, and when you come close, the light disappears. Some people are saying it's a graveyard, which is the most reasonable thing because here has been found multiple skulls. There was buried kings and hunters. There was like multiple heritage sites. We are now waiting for some circles. Thanks to the guys that helped with my foot.
Thank you very much. Thanks for all the help with the phone as well.
It's getting pretty dark over here. We still haven't a place to stay.
Got our batteries charged. We had a little pause. We are very safe in Wellman's Lodge in Farafenha, Gambia. Finish day number 15.
I'm gonna share this one half.
Here are 3 dogs coming up because they smelled your chicken and with puppies. We've been here so long and we have to leave. Oh, puppies came first. I'm gonna eat. And you're gonna be on YouTube. But oh, it bit me. I have rabies now, maybe.